Hi guys, I hope you're having fun at Framboise. Do you want to take a guess what's inside of this puff pastry? Let's take a look. I am going to cut it right in the middle and I'll show you what's inside. And ta-da! It's salmon puff pastry! Oh wait, you already know. Oh, the title. Okay, let's put 1/3 cup of milk in a saucepan, 2 tablespoons of cream cheese. You're going to dissolve the cream cheese in medium-low heat, and you're gonna keep stirring. After a few minutes, look at that, it's already creamy. Add some cooked rice and a tablespoon of creme fraiche. Mix them all together. And I'm using wild rice. You can use whatever rice you prefer, but I think the wild rice complements the salmon really well with this dish. And you're gonna add some fresh parsley. The first time I made it, it was a little dry, so I'm adding another tablespoon of creme fraiche to make it really creamy. In a different pan, add a tablespoon of olive oil, 3 handfuls of fresh spinach. You're going to wilt this and wait until the spinach is halfway wilted before adding minced garlic, so the spinach can really absorb that nice garlic flavor. It's always a good practice to flour your surface before working on your pastry sheet to prevent it from sticking. Lightly brush the pastry with some egg wash, and I'm only using just 1 egg with a little bit of water. We're going to layer all our ingredients. I'm starting with my spinach, and I'm also adding some freshly squeezed lemon and salt all over the pastry. I'm using 2 thin wild salmon fillets, which I'm going to put upside down. Just picture your pastry. Whatever you want to be on top goes first, and you layer from there. And I'm counting on my creme fraiche to make sure that it doesn't come out as dry as last time. Last but not the least, the wild rice. Spread it on top of the salmon, and you can put more rice if you like, it's really up to you. And I just want to make a special shout out to my new subscribers. Thank you so much for subscribing. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe so you don't miss our next adventure in the kitchen. Gently fold the pastry sheet over the rice. And let's have some fun with this and give it a gentle karate chops on both sides. Seal the edges with some egg wash, and then gently fold the pastry sheets on both sides. Brush again with some more egg wash. And get ready to flip it over. Okay, and don't panic, you can reshape it, it's not perfect right now. Then transfer it to your baking sheet, and it's really sticky, so okay, I'm gonna stop touching it and just reshape it. And here I'm making a classic design called crosshatch. I was going to attempt to make a different design. I've seen people make a nice fish looking design, but I'm not ready for that. But if you have the skills, you should try it. Finishing off my pastry with some egg wash, salt, and a combination of black and white sesame seeds. Oh my gosh, they already look picture perfect. Bake this at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 20 to 25 minutes. And ta-da! Your salmon in puff pastry is done. And I'm gonna make it even more pretty by adding fresh parsley on top. And now it's time to taste test it. And yes, it's creamier than last time and it's yummy. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and I see you at the next episode.